Ebi begambira Brigadier General Felix Kulayigye orukagambirizi wa UPDF mu Eihanga obera ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kuhinguza abeegi abarukwingana kakagana na mushanju ababaire batendekirwe ebya patriotism mu ishomero lya Kyabugimbi Secondary School erikushangwa mu town council ya Kyabugimbi omu district ya Bushenyi.
Think about your nation Uganda, the most beautiful country in the world. I've been able to travel all the continents. No country is as beautiful as this one. Therefore, protect the environment.
Brigadier General Felix Kulayigye hashabira abeegi okwera abazaire baabo aha mirimo y'ahaka omu kihumure kibagiremu.
Don't take for granted what you are seeing that your parents have done. It takes sacrifice, it takes resilience, it takes hard work. Now, you're going for holidays, aren't you? Make sure you help your parents in work.
Zarango Madina orukurwa mu office ya secretariat na wagambira abeegi emuhamigasho ya patriotism amagara gabo na no mu Eihanga.
Patriotism development training transforms the youth through the acquisition of knowledge, new skills, competences, and attitudes, which include inculcating a conscious sense of livelihood.
Robert Ateire or RDC wa Bushenyi agambira abanyakyabugimbi ngo buri muntu ashemerere kwejumbira omukundi Eihanga nko munya-Uganda.
Tongereho n'abanyadini nyenda tongereho n'abanyamahurire mbaba abo ba boda boda oba bachi oba basaruni abo kwa patriotism ne ya buri omwe kandi ori ari kweta munongo wa opposition na hakanisa government. Patriotism still matters. Abokano ko kwakanisa government osheme ukuri oine class to kufawo ka hakanisa buri kimwe nebironje nebyota kubasa nabyo hakanisa.
Anet Katsime Mugisha ori omunyeshengera bwa Bushenyi district ajumirire minyeto ejumbiro mu mizembi kandi yabashaba kwetwazaje ngo habo kube birungi biri mu meisho.
Chief guest, our youth are being attacked. The devil has really seriously attacking our youth. They are involved in drugs, they are in alcohol, they are engaging in sex at an early age. I normally tell my beautiful girls that you cannot open the books. At the same time, you open the legs.
Musinguzi Felix ori mukuru w'ishomero lya Kyabugimbi asimire omugenyi mukuru hamwe na mukuru w'Eihanga ahabwa program ya patriotism ebaresero mu mashomero ngo hakuba abeegi babo begiremwe ebintu bingi ebireije kubahwera omu mitwarize yabo.
Chief guest, I want to thank you once again. I want to thank His Excellency once again for this wonderful program of patriotism, for the training that has been here. I do believe that these students have benefited a lot.
Musinguzi Alex agarikire yayoreka ubutashemerwa ahanshonga y'emshara y'abashomesa ba arts okubanke kandi bakongera abashomesa ba science bonka ekyagizire ngo bonka abashomesa ba arts nikibashasha nuko kushaba General Felix Kulayigye okutwara okushaba kwabo owa mukuru w'Eihanga.
Enhancement. This has been a very big challenge. We have talked about it. I happen to be the chair for UNATU for Bushenyi district. But those of you which are near the president, if you could just throw some 2 words and convince him to think about the teachers of arts.
Brigadier General Felix Kulayigye hagarikire yasima abanyabushenyi ahabukwa jumbiro mu kayano ninga competition zikentunguka kandi bakakunda ebyanga byabo ngo hakuba omu district ezi nibakore site marionka.
If you build a house with red roofs, your neighbor determines to build it also. In Buganda, Bunyoro and Busoga, when you build what they don't have, next morning you will find the dead chicken in the foundation. So here you practice positive competition. The other end, never got a negative competition.
Gashako Olivia na asasira bwa Sky Television ageshonga omuru Bushenyi.